y'all, what's up? It's Victoria from Supergeeked, and I'm back with another haul, y'all. This one is my birthday haul. That's right, last week was my birthday, and me and my girlfriends do what me and my girlfriends do every week. We went thrifting. So my mom and I drove over to Mobile, Alabama, which is about 45 minutes from us. And we met my girls over there, Alicia from Murray Life and Tanya from Double T's Treasures, along with our local girl Alexis, and we had a blast. Don't forget to go check out my girls' videos after you watch mine because they got some sensational hauls too. So this was a little different because this is a new store opening in Mobile, Alabama for a new America's Thrift store. We thought, we gotta go. We would have gone anyway, even if it hadn't been my birthday, but I like to tell everybody that they found out it was my birthday, they threw me a party and opened a new thrift store for me. In fact, when we got to Mobile, I was walking up, I was greeted by some of the corporate staff who I've actually worked with through America's Thrift Supply and told them, thank you so much for throwing me a birthday party. Super fun day. We had a blast. And of course I recorded some footage because we always have some silly antics. I did not expect that they were going to roll out the red carpet for us, but they certainly did treat us well. And Alicia and I did interview with America's Thrift Stores to help them with some promos they're going to be doing and opening some stores in some new locations. And I'll pop up a clip real quick of what Alicia took when I was being interviewed. And then later on in the footage, you can see a clip of her interview. They also had the whole entire store sing me happy birthday, which you'll see, which was pretty embarrassing. Thanks, Mom. We got to be a part of the ribbon cutting with the Chamber of Commerce in Mobile and Make-A-Wish of Alabama because Make-A-Wish is the charity that America's Thrift Store supports through this new store. And so they were there. That was fun. And then even after we left, America's Thrift Stores did a little photo shoot with Alicia and I leaving with our bags of goodies. So definitely a fun day. Definitely different than our normal thrift trips, but again, I spent my birthday doing what I normally do, thrifting with my girls, ate a little lunch. They headed back to the thrift store, so their hauls are going to be a lot longer than mine, but I went home and just had the best day. So I'm so excited to share with you the footage from that day and then come back with a haul. Guess what? We're on a thrifting trip. I got Mama with me and we're meeting up with some of my friends. We're here at a grand opening and it's my birthday.
Happy birthday, Victoria.
So I'm so excited. Hopefully we find some good stuff and of course we're gonna take you along with us.
Birthday, yeah, put this on video. Are you telling me that on your birthday, you decided the first thing that you were going to do was to go to America's Thrift Store grand opening? Is that right?
Absolutely.
Well, I am so grateful that you're here. My name is Billy. What's up, Instagram land? Good to see you out there. Hey, we're thankful for you. So we're all going to sing happy birthday to you because we're thankful for the way you share the story online. Thank you for all the impact that you make by sharing the brand of America's Thrift Store. So let's sing. It's your 18th birthday, right?
Oh,
you ready?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Sing it loud. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Victoria ends with a hug. Happy birthday to you. Let's give her a hand, ladies and gentlemen. Happy birthday. They let me know how to sing to you. Sorry if that embarrassed you.
Here's my buggy. And look at Tanya's. Nobody can compete.
Look, I have to go sort right now because I can't fit any more in there, so I need to sort real fast.
All right, so hope that you enjoyed that little footage of our trip. It definitely was fun. We didn't film our food, which is weird because we normally do, but I think we were so hungry because we got to the thrift store and thrifted for hours and then we're ready to eat. But let's get into the haul because that's why you're here, right? So let's check it out and see what I got to resell online on eBay, Poshmark, Etsy, and Mercari. If you follow me over on Instagram, then you already saw this dress. Alicia actually picked out this dress for me. Very vintage inspired, very 60s, maybe even 70s with a Peter Pan collar. This is the brand. It's called Smack Parlor. And they actually have carried this brand at ModCloth and also Unique Vintage. Has pockets, super stretchy, and very cute. And she really picked it out for me, which is great, except for the colors aren't really my thing. I love olive, but I don't look good in olive. So I like to stick with pinks. So I am gonna resell it. So thanks, Alicia. You definitely need to go check out that picture because I paid her back for picking out an outfit for me and picked out an outfit for her. Ooh, this was a fun find. This was actually in the Rompers, and the brand is for Love and Lemons. It is new with tags in a size extra large, and it is this sweet little floral romper. Very cute, very cottagecore, and I am popping up comps as I'm going through this haul, which I'm sure you've already seen because you saw me already show you something. But also I wanted to let you know what my average cost of goods was. So my average cost of goods on this sourcing trip was $6.97. So each item I paid $6.97, and so that'll help you when comparing it to the comps that I'm showing up on the screen. All right, I've mentioned this is an older Anthropologie brand, Elevensies, but I do still pick up the Elevensies pants. I recently showed it in my February What Sold video that I had sold a pair of paper bag waist. This is obviously not pants, but is actually a jumpsuit. However, it's really cute and it's in an abstract plaid. So I thought it was cute and worth a try. Oh, I was so excited to find this pretty dress. It is a midi length polka dot dress by Faithful the brand, which I've actually never thrifted. So this is a US size small, and oh y'all, it is so cute. So I was super excited to do this. Alicia actually said they went to the dresses first. I was about 20 minutes behind them. So they definitely probably wanted to get in those dresses before I got there because they know I'm a dress hoarder. Then I found this pretty dress and was super excited. It is a midi length halter neckline by the brand Emily and Finn. It is not new with tags. I know this ribbon's still on there, but the tag's not. But Emily and Finn is a brand that's carried by ModCloth. It's a UK brand, and I love their dresses. They always have cotton dresses, really pretty prints with pockets, and I will have to use this one for Mend It Monday because it is missing a button, but you know your girl can sew a button on, so no biggie. When I mentioned I was going to use it for Mend It Monday, my girls were laughing at me, but you know, it is what it is. This is a reseller's life. All right, I did pay up for this bad boy, but your girl doesn't mind paying up for stuff. So it is this pretty little white dress, and it is by Lily Pulitzer. So this dress originally retailed for $198, and when I saw that it was new with tags and white, I knew that I could definitely sell it for close to $100 because these can be used for summer wedding, bridal parties, showers, bachelorette parties, you know, you name it, that you need a white dress, and Lily Pulitzer is super popular down here in the South, so no problem selling it, and I was excited, so I didn't mind. They had it marked up to $19.99, but again, my average cost of goods for this thrifting trip was $6.97. Ooh, I did have one hard good that I got, but I'm keeping her. So this is a Pyrex bowl. The print is called Butter Print. See if you can see the Pyrex on the bottom. They had this marked at $14.99. However, I got it for me. And I'm very excited to find it. Used to be able to find butter print everywhere when I was younger, because I've been collecting for a long time. However, now they are very pricey to buy, and comps are really good on these. So if you find the butter print by Pyrex and it's for a good price, I would pick it up. It was produced between 1957 and 1968, and some people refer to it as the Amish print, but it's called butter print. That's the Pyrex name for it. So, all right, pretty plain little blazer here, black, but it is the brand Lafayette 148, and with blazers from Lafayette 148, I usually can expect to get $40 to $50 even for a plain old blazer like her, so I grabbed her. They also had her marked at $405, so I figured it was a sure bet. Then I found her sister, Lafayette 148, but look at this color, wow. Hello. Talk about scarlet red. It is 100% silk. It has these cuff sleeves, really pretty and soft, this really satin feel. Beautiful, beautiful jacket, and the comps were phenomenal. They only had this one marked at $509. So happy to find her. All right, these next 4 items are pretty funny. So after I sorted my whole cart, I actually went back to the denim because I didn't find any denim, and I like denim. Denim's one of my first sections to go to, but I think Alicia had already gone through the denim first. Anyway, I go back there and I spot this grouping of athletic wear. And I was like, okay, what is this? So there was this tank right here by Lululemon. This hot pink number here with gray straps in the back. And she is also Lululemon. And then another Lululemon tank. This one with a bunch of crisscross in the back. This one is the most recent style of all 3 of them. And you can tell that by right here. If you look at the size dot and you see all these numbers that are around the size dot, that tells you it's a newer style. In comparison, here is the size dot on the pink one, and it's just a number. So that tells you this is an older style, which is fine. You can still go on the website Lulu Fanatics and find the style names, the date they were produced, how much they originally retailed for, all that good information, and it'll help you name these styles. I haven't got to the funny part yet, but anyway. So the last one is this Gymshark crop top. This is the seamless crop top. It does have the finger holes, and yeah, so I grabbed these 4. I was pretty excited. I'm a dress seller. You guys come here for the dress content. I am not athletic wear, but I will pick up some brands if I find it. And they happen to be sitting in the jeans. I went back to show Tanya and Alicia started laughing. She actually put all those back there. She put them in the denim instead of putting them in the athletic wear, thinking somebody's gonna find them and be like, ooh, surprise. They got a present. Guess who got the present? Me. So we were all laughing about that. All right, 1 pair of pants from this whole thrifting trip, but that's okay. It's a brand I like to grab. It's Pistola. Cool olive green army pants style. Has the tabbed pockets in the back. Really cute, and America's Thrift Store had it marked at $549. Another exciting thing that happened at this thrifting trip was I got to meet the CEO, Rob Sobowski. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Anyway, Rob has watched my YouTube videos before and commented on my YouTube videos, so it was fun to finally meet him in person. Anyway, super nice to meet Rob. This is a ModCloth dress, and another piece that Alicia found for me. I actually own this dress. It's a midi-length dress. It's in these pretty pastel stripes, and I know exactly where this came from because it has this tag on it. This is actually from Dirt Cheap. So somebody bought this during the ModCloth buyout and I guess never wore it. It doesn't have the original ModCloth tags, but it just does still have the extra button attached on the outside. So it was never worn. All right, couple more pieces, including a men's piece. Yes, I did pick up one men's piece. Thank you, Tanya. So this is an Eloquy dress. I thought it was really pretty, like shift dress, really flowy. Has these tie sleeves in a great size 20. It did originally have a belt, but I don't shy away from dresses that don't have belts. And you guys know I'm a big dress seller. I sell dresses all day long that are missing their belts. In some cases, it doesn't even affect the value of the dress because a lot of people will remove the belts anyway. I know I do a lot of times, so no biggie. Don't be afraid to pick up a good brand, a good style, even if it's missing the belt, because it'll still sell. And last little dress is this pretty green floral number. Really cute little flouncy dress, very feminine, by Free People. I just thought it was really cute. I still like to pick up some Free People styles, so I was happy to find her. And for my men's piece that I got this day, thank you, Tanya. So this is it. It's by the brand Gimbals. This is actually probably early 80s, late 70s. It is a zip-up track jacket. It's super soft. It is 100% acrylic in an extra large in this maroon color. Really love this jacket, really cool, and I was thankful because I am trying to pick up men's this year, but I tend to gravitate for the same things in men that I would gravitate towards in women, which is vintage, quirky fashion, and mid-tier designer. So thank you so much, because as soon as Tanya grabbed this, she was like, I know my girl's gonna want this, and she gave it to me. And y'all, that's several pieces in my haul that my girlfriends got for me, specifically when they were thrifting. So anybody who tells you that or says to you, why would you go thrifting with other resellers? We hit stores all day, every day, together sometimes. And there's always more than enough. We all don't sell the same styles and same kind of things. And a lot of times, some things they don't want to take a risk on, I will. Or something I'm just not interested in selling, I'll pass on and they'll take it and sell it. All right, y'all, so that's my haul. If you haven't already, you should definitely go over to Alicia and Tanya's channels. Check out their hauls because they're gonna be good too. Theirs are gonna be longer because, like I said, they went back to the thrift store. So head on over, see what they got. But before you leave, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider it, because I would love to have you back watching some more of my videos. It would mean a lot to me. Don't forget to like the video on your way out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.